Once again, I'm leaving the Oxon Hill post office here at Oxon Hill. I just got finished mailing off a care package to Sherry Ray Evelyn. Is in a care nursing home care facility in Elkton, Maryland, having had both of her legs crushed and her arm broken in a serious head-on accident in Elkton, Maryland. We're trying to get the police report on her now. She wasn't charged. The other person was charged. So it was unfortunate that it happened. And then also I had a certified mail out off to the U.S. Office of Inspector General, Washington, D.C. Because I'm tired of getting all these unsigned orders for the last 32 years from the corrupt courts. It's sad that what's going on in our nation's legal system. We're all being mistreated. We're all being robbed of our rights. We're all being robbed of our liberties by thieving, lying lawyers and judges. So all I can do is help people like Sherry, pray for her to get a recovery. She's not too sure about what is going to happen to her. Because of the abusive misconduct of the courts. But this all could have been prevented by the U.S. Attorney's Office in Baltimore, U.S. Attorney's Office in Washington, D.C., U.S. Attorney's Office in Virginia, the U.S. Justice Department agents assigned, the FBI agents that were notified. All of these people are contributory negligent agents to what has happened to Sherry Evelyn and her family. The theft of over $18 million from her father's estate. This is the 8th day of July 2026. Every one of them had an opportunity to prevent her from being destroyed, now possibly injured for life. She might never walk again. Her leg was crushed so many times. She said today they've got to ship her back to shock trauma in Baltimore. Her x-rays and her arm and her legs. She was all up underneath of the car. They couldn't even get her out of from underneath the car. It never would have happened to just one law enforcement officer involved in this. And there have been literally over 100 of them. We said, this is enough. This is enough. We need to get some relief for this citizen. I'm tired. Frustrated, I'm angry. The filing I was forwarding was from the Supreme Court of the United States, another unsigned, unverifiable order, which is in violation of the Constitution and rule of law. We don't have one in this country anymore. Our organic Constitution was dissolved. Our government is turned into a for-profit corporation. Its CEO, Donald John Trump, is one of the biggest corporate criminals in the world. And everybody knows it. He uses the courts and the judges, the Justice Department system as his weapon for retribution and retaliation against anybody who tries to speak the truth. I've got several cases against him in the United States District Court in D.C., case number 1222, 2025. I have numerous other cases in the United States District Court, Court of Federal Claims, Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit, Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia, and not one of them has ever identified their legal jurisdiction and authority as foreign agents, because they are all sub-corporations of the Corporation of the United States, which was formed after the illegal dissolution of the Organic Republic of the United States in 1933 by J.P. Morgan Chase and other banks. It's unbelievable, folks. If you expect justice in and from the courts of the United States, forget it. You'll never receive justice. The farthest thing in their mind is to give local citizens their rights and liberties. All they're out to do is protect the Bar Association as another non-profit, fake organization with straw men who have stolen more from this country and its assets through legal abuse syndrome and falsification of court records than anyone else in this world. Yet, no one is willing to stand up and fight and demand judicial accountability and responsibility. It's time that we as Americans honor our founding fathers' intent when they said that when the government becomes abusive to and upon itself, it is up to we, the peoples of these United States, to abolish that form of government and form a new one. So, all we can do is just take it one step at a time, one court case at a time, and hopefully we'll wind up eventually meeting one judge or one U.S. attorney in this country who's willing to stand up and say my oath means more to me than my loyalty to the corrupt American Bar Association and its agents. So I will pick this up later, folks. This is George McDermott signing off from the land of the scam and the home of the fraud, Oxon Hill, Maryland. God bless everyone and have a wonderful day. This is the 8th day of July 2026.